Ready to unleash the power of Veo 3, but wondering if it plays nice outside the US? Let's dive into its global accessibility. First, regional availability. Veo aims for worldwide reach, but double-check their website or contact support for a current list of officially supported countries, as distribution agreements can vary. Next up, language support. Veo software typically offers multiple language options. Explore the settings within the Veo platform or mobile app to select your preferred language from menus, captions, and other interface elements. Tap into your settings, usually symbolized by a gear icon. Look for a language or localization section. From there, you should see a list of available languages. Select the one you need. Now, consider internet connectivity. Veo relies on robust upload speeds to transfer footage to the cloud. Investigate your local internet infrastructure and available bandwidth, especially in rural or remote areas, to ensure smooth uploads. International data transfer rates and regulations can also impact usability. Be mindful of potential data roaming charges or limitations when using Veo with mobile data plans abroad. Research local data costs to avoid unexpected fees. Finally, be aware of potential variations in sports regulations or recording restrictions. Verify if the use of camera systems like Veo 3 is permitted by local sporting federations or governing bodies before recording any matches or training sessions. And that wraps it up. You're now armed with the knowledge to use Veo 3 effectively. No matter where your games take you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.